This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to check transmission fluid in a Jeep Liberty. First, make sure your vehicle is parked on a level surface. The engine should be warm and running, with the transmission in neutral. This setup is crucial for an accurate fluid level reading. You'll also want to have a clean rag and a funnel handy for the process. Let's get started with locating the dipstick. Now, let's locate the transmission fluid dipstick. On most Jeep Liberty models, it's typically yellow or red and often found towards the back of the engine bay. Carefully pull the dipstick out of its tube. Use a clean rag to thoroughly wipe off all the fluid. This ensures you get a precise reading on the second check. Once clean, reinsert the dipstick all the way back into its tube. With the dipstick fully reinserted, pull it out one more time to get your accurate reading. Observe where the fluid level falls on the dipstick. It should ideally be between the full and add marks. Also, take a moment to check the fluid's color. It should be reddish and clear, not dark brown or black. A burnt smell could indicate a problem, so pay attention to that too. If your fluid level is low, it's time to add some. Make sure you use the correct type of transmission fluid specified for your Jeep Liberty. Pour small amounts, about 1/4 of a quart at a time, using a funnel to avoid spills. After each addition, reinsert the dipstick and check the level again. Continue this process until the fluid reaches the appropriate mark. Don't overfill.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.